Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to install Tailwind CSS version 4 on React application. So I have installed React application over here. I have made a fresh installation. If you don't know how to install React, I have the video for it. I will put the link in the description. Okay, let's go to Tailwind documentation and then go to Docs. Because our application is created by Vite, in the Tailwind documentation, we are going to the Vite section over here. Over here is how to install Tailwind CSS. Just copy this command. Then I have to stop this application. Just paste the command over here. After the installation is done, go to the second section. So you have to import Tailwind CSS into vite.config.ts. Just copy this one and put it into vite.config.js because we don't use TypeScript, so mine is .js. Paste it over here, and then we have to include it in the plugin section. If you see the documentation, you will see it's over here, Tailwind CSS, which is this one. So just hit enter over here and put the React down here, then put comma over here, and then put Tailwind CSS over here. Okay, save. And the next step, you have to import Tailwind to your CSS files. Over here I go to source files. So the main CSS files in my application right now is index.css. I will remove everything over here, and then I'm going to import Tailwind CSS. Copy this one and paste it over here. And the next step, just run npm run dev. npm run dev. So let's take a look at our application. You will see a lot of things change over here. I will test if Tailwind CSS is working on our application right now. So on the app over here, I will remove this app CSS files. I don't need it because I will use Tailwind as a CSS. So over here, I will remove everything, and then I will type RAAppce and hit enter. I have created a new app over here. So over here, let me put something here. For example, I will put like div, and then I put class over here, and then I put container bg red 500. Let me save, and then let me put h1 tags over here. Hello Tailwind CSS V4 and React. Okay, save. And then if I go back here, I feel like container doesn't work over here. Let me check. Container, it must be lowercase. See, it's work right now. And then if I put mx auto, you will see that the container is centered right now. I need suggestion because I have installed Tailwind IntelliSense on my Visual Studio Code. If I need suggestion from the extension, I have to create tailwind.config.js. Just create these files, and then the auto suggestion will work. See? And then for h1 over here, I put class name, and then I put tag 8xl. Then tags color might be sky 500. Let's see. Let's go back here. You will see it's work. For example, if I create another text div h2 class name and then text 2xl, this is 2xl. Save. Let's see if it's work. It's work over here, you see. How about if I put 3xl? You see it's bigger. Let me create a button over here. For example, div, and then put a button over here, and then put class name. I put click me over here. Class name is like BG. Put amber 500, and then padding X is 5, and padding Y is 2. Let's take a look at the button. See, and I might need round 2XL. Let's take a look again. See, and how about hover if it's work? Change background to darker color, which is 700. Save. See, everything worked